Are you also facing the problem where Windows shows event ID 6008 after an unexpected shutdown? Your PC restarts, crashes, or shuts down randomly, and then you see this error in Event Viewer? I was also facing the same issue, and it was really frustrating because I couldn't figure out why my system kept failing. This usually happens due to sudden power loss, driver issues, corrupted system files, or hardware problems like faulty RAM, hard drive errors, or overheating. Sometimes Windows updates or BIOS settings can also cause unexpected shutdowns, which triggers event ID 6008. Most solutions online are complicated. They tell you to run multiple commands, edit registry keys, or reset your PC, which can be confusing. I tried several of these, and many didn't even fix the problem. After testing myself, I discovered a simple set of fixes that actually works. Checking and updating drivers, running system file checks, adjusting power settings, and monitoring hardware temperatures fixed the shutdowns for me. After applying these, my PC stopped crashing, and event ID 6008 no longer appeared. If you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how I fixed event ID 6008 after unexpected shutdowns, comment down below. This is Rexisht.